Well, a lot of it had to do with Al Pearson, the original owner. He's not afraid of anything, for sure. And he just went out and started getting and talking with the mills and learning more about the commercial end of it. And he knew that he needed the commercial end of the business to be able to weather the hard times. When housing industry would decline, we always had the commercial business. We've always done anything that any of the school districts have ever asked us to do, because we just perform at every level that they've always asked us to perform at. Mostly the commercial end of the business we've always done with schools, and regarding the schools has always been through the mills like Hewter or Granite or whoever has the job at the time, because most of your commercial work always goes through the mills. So we've just always been in constant contact with all the mills. And we do and have done pretty much every mill from Idaho to Arizona. So, and we've actually done a lot of schools in California for larger companies in the United States. Well, the success in school business and any kind of the commercial industry is to be able to perform. And we've always tried to perform at the highest level as far as getting the work ahead of schedule so that we can get materials ordered and we get everything that we need, so once the cabinets actually start to be installed, that we can go right to work and perform at the levels that we need to perform at, you know, and having the installers that are willing to work the overtime hours to get this stuff installed. And this year we seem to have got an influx from every mill that we've done for years and years, and some mills that we haven't done any work for the past 4, 5, 6 years have now come back and said, hey, we need your help. Basically, most of your schools are all Formica countertops or laminate countertops, but there's a lot of solid surface and some stone in them. So, you know, we handle pretty much all the solid surface that goes in every school that we deal with. And some schools we do some of the stonework as well. And we're working on 12 schools right now. And we haven't even started like 2 or 3 of them. And they all have to be finished before August. We get held to a little bit higher standard as far as quality, because most of the contractors, they know who we are. You know, I have contractors that come to me and say, oh, thank you, Plastic Specialties is actually doing the countertops, because they know that we'll perform and we'll get their job done. And I hold myself to the highest standard, and to be able to get it done, and to really ram my guys in the office and the shop to try to get things accomplished on a timely manner, you know. We would love to continue doing work for other mills. If other mills are interested in us, then we are always willing to entertain anybody and any work out there going forward.